Hey everyone, this is SpecInfo and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Microsoft Teams for your Linux operating system. Here I am using Kali Linux with an Debian distribution. No matter whatever the Linux you use, the procedure will be the same. So let's open the Firefox browser. You can use your default browser. I will type just Teams and we will get the first link, that is group chat software free chat for Teams, Microsoft Teams. Just click on it and you will redirect to the official Microsoft page. At the top right corner you will get the download Teams option. So just you can see here download Teams option, just click on it and you will redirect to the download page. Now just click on the download for desktop option on the left side and you will get the two options for the Linux. The first one is Debian and the second one is RPM. As I'm using Debian, I will install Debian version. You can see here I have already installed it. Now let's minimize this and open the terminal after you download the Debian version of Teams, and let me maximize this first. Okay, so we'll move to the download directory. So we'll do cd download and just list out the directories in the downloads, and you can see the last option over here, that is for Teams Debian version. So we have to install this installer Debian file. So we will give command sudo dpkg-i and the name of the file we want to install. -i is for install, so we will just write Teams and press tab option, so it will select whole name of the directory starting with Teams. Now just enter and give your sudo password, and the installing process will start. Now it's installing the Microsoft Teams in our Linux, so it will take few seconds. Okay, all done, good. Now we will close the terminal and we will search for the Teams in our application. So I will just type Teams and you will get the first option, that is for Microsoft Teams. Just click enter and you can see here we have successfully installed the Microsoft Teams in our Linux operating system. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you find this content useful, share this with your friends and support my channel.